Okay, so just now, certain parts of the state of Massachusetts just received a tornado warning affecting southwestern Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, west central Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, and east central Providence County in Rhode Island until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 15 miles per hour. Let me read this a little right here. Or is it the same one? I mean, yeah, this just came out of nowhere, and most news stations right now are like covering this. So, here's one of them right now. This is Boston 25 News. Let me try and turn this up a bit.
Generally northeast, it's looking like it may just come right up 95 here over toward Attleboro. So, Plainville, that
I'm going to try other stations next, like WBZ.
This storm in particular. We've kind of done this drill a lot so far this year.
Norfolk and Bristol counties are affected. As of right now, as of this video that I'm making, Plymouth County is not yet affected, but it could change at any time. And if that changes, I'll be sure to make another video to add to this one. Sorry, that was my Boston 25 News app on both my iPad and my phone just going off. Okay, let's try WCVB. Oh yeah, and there's like severe thunderstorm warnings for like certain areas too.
There's a lot of lightning with this particular cell as it is moving north and eastward. As I take you out, though, you can see there's some heavy rainfall and lightning being produced also in the
Plymouth.
Zoom in over that, and you can see that right
yeah,
now we do have
we're right there.
being produced in addition to the lightning. Let me take you back in over that particular cell that's.
But again, the tornado is not heading our way at this time. I'm hoping it stays that way. Let's try WHDH7 News.
Velocity data is why we're on TV right now for this tornado warning. That is in effect until 4 o'clock this afternoon. When we put this into motion, you can see right there. I'm going to take the lightning off too. That's a strong signal right there. That bright green and then that bright red really tight together. It's a velocity couplet. You know, the two areas are real close together. They're opposing wind, where the green is wind in one direction, the red is wind in the other direction. So it's a tight rotation. That's why we're on TV right now for this tornado warning. We have not been able to confirm.
Let's try NBC 10 Boston next. Here we go.
Storm just to your west, and right now there's still some rotation. Let's go back now, and I'll show you some of that potential rotation. Explain what's going on here. If you're just tuning in, the velocity scan is something what we look at. And it seems to be that there's some rotation in there. I'm looking at different velocity scans. This sees the air inside the thunderstorm, sees which way it's moving, sees which way it's going. And right now, when we look at these colors, where they have these contrasting colors from red to orange, red to green, that is something that we watch very carefully, and we watch for rotation inside that cloud that may be right in this area. So let's get down to the street level, and you can see where potentially that tornado would bring or come down onto street level mapping. And we're right along Route 1.
Okay, I'm going to stop right there. Like I said, hang on, let me zoom in, or zoom out here. The storm is not affecting Plymouth County at this time, but if it is, I'll be sure to make another video to add to this one, and I'll let you know what's going on by then. And if not, then that means it'll probably never hit us, or I don't know. So stay tuned, and I'll check in with you guys later.
Massachusetts, northwestern Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, western Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, east central Providence County in Rhode Island until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorm was located over Central Falls or over Pawtucket, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Pawtucket, Taunton, East Providence, Cumberland, North Attleboro, Bridgewater, Attleboro, Mansfield, Easton, Norton, Sharon, Foxborough, Seekonk, Rainham, Rehoboth, Lakeville, Plainville, and Dighton. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts, Bristol, and Plymouth. South Central Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, northwestern Bristol.
You gotta be kidding me.
Eastern Massachusetts, west central Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Attleboro or near North Attleboro, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour.
God.
Hazards include tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Mansfield around 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Norton around 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Taunton, Easton, and Rainham around 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Brockton, Bridgewater, Middleborough, and West Bridgewater around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts, Bristol, and Plymouth.
This is gonna suck. Okay, so this is the same tornado warning alert that just came in, but it's on like TV right now.
4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Taunton, Easton, and Rainham around 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Brockton, Bridgewater, Middleborough, and West Bridgewater around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts, Bristol, and Plymouth.
Good God. God help us. God help us if it comes to us. Which I pray to God it won't. Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Matt again. So, a little bit of an update to the tornado that formed at that point in time. There was a little bit of a tornado in somewhere within Plymouth County, but it wasn't big enough to cause any destruction. It quickly dissipated within a short amount of time, and we were all good and dandy from there. So, before I end this video, I'm just going to throw in a couple more clips of severe thunderstorm warnings that I received, and that should be about it. So if you enjoyed the video up to this point, please click the like button and let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. So take care of yourselves, have a good day, I'll see you all next time, and here's the rest of the video.
Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, north central Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, northwestern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Easton or near Bridgewater, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Brockton, Taunton, Weymouth, Bridgewater, Mansfield, Easton, Hingham, Norton, Rockland, Abington, Whitman, Hanover, East Bridgewater, Rainham, Henson, Halifax, West Bridgewater, and Plimpton. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts, Bristol, and Plymouth. Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, north central Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, northwestern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Easton, or near Bridgewater, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Brockton, Taunton, Weymouth, Bridgewater, Mansfield, Easton, Hingham, Norton, Rockland, Abington, Whitman, Hanover, East Bridgewater, Rainham, Henson, Halifax, West Bridgewater, and Plimpton. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts: Bristol and Plymouth.